Do you want to pause the action and highlight a special moment in your video? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a freeze frame effect in CapCut Mobile. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. For the step number 1, open CapCut app on your mobile device and tap New Project. Select the video you want to edit from your gallery and tap Add to import it into editing timeline. Step number 2 is to drag playhead along the timeline and stop exactly at the moment you want to freeze. With the playhead positioned correctly, tap the video clip to display the editing tools. Swipe through the menu and tap Freeze. CapCut will automatically create a still image from the selected frame and insert it to your timeline. Tap the freeze frame in the timeline and drag its edges to make it shorter or longer. When you're done, don't forget to press the play button to preview the effect before exporting. And that's how you create a freeze frame effect in CapCut Mobile. Pause the moment and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and happy editing. God bless.